The fish shop that they got now is insane. Listen, ready? Couple couplings.
Pick that up.
Yes, sir. Bro, look at all this media. Check out the UV though. It's time to plug in our filter. Here we go. I'm so excited to see the 3,500 gallon in action.
We got a problem.
A leak. Oh no, we got a leak. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be epic. After part 1 of this pond project, then part 2, we have had a lot of progress go down, and today's the day we'll actually fill it with water, set up filtration, and essentially it'll be ready for fish. Show too much of it, Brenton. It's gonna be ready for fish by the time you are done watching this. Let's get started with today's video. There she is. Check out these. This is exactly what we are purchasing today. That right there. Almost exactly what we have at the other house. There's all the info about it if that's something you guys were interested in doing, what we're doing today.
UV, bro.
The UV right here. I was looking for a UV as well, and they got one. I bet you that is money. Oh yeah, we gotta get the UV. You know, I was gonna order one online, but why not get it here at Koi Smart? If they got it, why not buy it? These I already have. I got one of these for the pond. This is the aerator. Mine's just a little older, so it doesn't look as clean. Listen, ready? Thing cranks bubbles. And then this is the one, right? That's the one? Yeah. And then, like we showed last time, the fish shop that they got now is insane. I mean, there's just so many fish in this place. Oh, and that tank looks good now. We toured that thing completely last time we were here. Rod, we need your muscles for this. It's time to load up.
No, bro, I'm the oldest guy here.
We got a cart full. UV filter, that's for a future video. I'm not gonna show the front of that box. You'll see that later on. Subscribe and you won't miss that. All the media for the filter, our piping. We still need to make a Home Depot trip because we gotta get some more. But look at this, we got the filter, we got everything. Johnny hooked it up. If y'all ever need anything, pond-wise, you know where to come. I'm gonna have the location down in the description down below. Koi Smart. My guy's always over here hooking me up, and you know, you help me, I help you. That's how it goes around here. We are full, baby! Does anyone else just hate when you go to the door, your friend's door? It's unlocked.
Head on, bro. We're not going Home Depot without this. This is all about.
Hey, Rod, grab me a monster, bro. Please.
Couple couplings.
Pick that up.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Now we just need the pipe.
Last but not least, the pipe. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of myself. I built this filter stand. This right here, I did indeed do myself. That's where the filter goes. Check it out, ready? Beautiful. All these are concreted in the ground, and we had to have the filter higher than the pond itself in order to flow correctly. So I just made this morning prior to the boys coming over. Holy media. Look at all that media. Yeah, there. Bro, look at all this media. A whole box. These two are full of it too. Oh yeah, it looks like it's snowing in there.
Can't wait for the snow.
His little leg shaking.
Look, easy little water change. It's the roof. Pond is filling up. What do you think, guys? It's kind of crazy, huh? Check this out too. The wood is at the bottom of the fence. It's not drilled in yet. I bought all the screws I'm gonna need, and as you can see, wood all the way. Check out the UV though. This is just so beautiful. Unfortunately, it can't get wet. So just like the last house, for the 4,000 gallon, we're going to need to build a house around this filter. So although the stand's there, we're gonna build a house literally blocking all this with a door right here. That will give you access to work on the filter and do water changes and stuff like that. Hector will be here this afternoon to do that. We have a bunch of plumbing going on right now. I'm not really filming it, but Rodrigo's getting frustrated. It's a process. I mean, I'm cutting PVC. My job's a bit easy on this end. We need to figure out where we want the pipes to go. So I think we're running.
Oh, I'll tell you where the pipe goes, bro.
Look at that filtration, boys and girls. It is looking good. Ran straight down. Obviously, we'll paint all this white eventually. And then right into the pond. Rodrigo's the man, guys. Predatory fins, I'll have his channel linked down below in the description. Dude, that looks awesome. Now keep in mind, there'll be a little building around all this beauty. I wish I didn't even have to put a building because it just looks so cool. But this is what's gonna be filtering our pond. Our pump is down there. The water gets pumped up through here, up there, this way, through there, into the filter, through the filter, out here, through the UV, out the UV, right down here, and then it's time to plug in our filter. Here we go. I'm so excited to see the 3,500 gallon in action. Oh, wow. Oh, she's going.
Victory! Wait. Why are they clapping, bro?
Full of water flowing. It looks good too. Once Hector builds like a little wall around.
We got a problem.
A leak.
Oh no.
We got a leak. Uh-oh.
Did I even glue this pipe?
It's leaking. I don't think you did.
I didn't glue this pipe.
He didn't glue.
I said though, that's the only one.
He didn't glue it, Hector.
That happens sometimes.
Wait.
Huh?
Stop.
It stopped.
That just makes, let's be honest here, it had nothing to do with rod, okay? This is already pre-made.
That was manufactured. It has a slight leak, but it's not leaking anymore. It's just like when it first starts up. 110 watt, cranking. Our boy Fabio over here is scooping up leaves.
Where's his phone, bro? Get his phone. It's on this side. It's on this side right here. What do you want to say to your mom? Nothing.
You're the first one in the pond.
Let's go, baby!
Here we go. Nice stroke we got there.
What?
Dude, that came out really nice. How tall are you? 4'6"? It makes the pond look a little big. Look at the pond. It is incredible. Although it's a little bit dark in there, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's huge. And it's super deep. As you can see, our aerator, I'm gonna actually zip tie this along this pipe and paint all of it white. But yep, if I need to turn my filter off, just swoop. I'm gonna have to put 2 jets on that side, pushing this way. That way we have good water flow. The filter and everything looks amazing. Just look how beautiful that is. I would literally leave it like this and just paint this if I could. Unfortunately, if this gets wet, then the whole thing breaks and we're down a solid like 600 bucks for that. I tried filming it as best I could while working on this filtration, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I showed you where the pipes go and there's just literally 2 pieces to the filter. This is when I do a water change on this side. I change the top thing and then I open this and pushes out water so that I could do a clean water change. And you know, we'll have to do this pretty often. There's a couple little tiny slight leaks, but last time the 4,000 gallon had the same exact thing, and over time they actually just cure themselves. So I'm gonna hope for that, and if not, it's a little leak. It would literally do minimal like damage to the water level. I could always fix that later on. But I'm gonna have that air pump running. I'm gonna clamp it up under there. That way you won't see it at all. You just see the aerators. Now I've got a plan for this pond. I read all your comments when I asked you to see what I should put in this pond. It will eventually be like lily pads, koi fish, mollies, platies, goldfish, colorful fish, because it is a dark liner. As you can see, the liner's black, so you need koi fish. It's just meant to be koi fish. This is what this pond just is, it should have. It is right in front of the house. Like I said, black liner, you'll really see the colors pop. I've got LEDs to go up above, shining straight down on the pond. We'll definitely install those. What I was saying before was, for now, I'm gonna put the red tail catfish, the gar, and all the stuff from the 4,000 into here, because it is the same exact size pond. For the time being, until our 1,400 square foot building goes in right there. As you know, one of our last videos, we received the permits for that, so yippee. That'll be going up by the end of this month, early next month, so March-ish should be done. And then the 5,500 gallon that I bought from Predatory Fins with 4 viewing panels will go in that building. The fish from here will go into there, and then the koi fish and stuff will come into here. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense.
6 2x4s, good to go. We need some 3-inch screws. Look how pristine this cut is. I mean, just like, wow.
It's like a little birdhouse on the side of the house. Yeah. This is so that we can have fish. I have city water here at this new house. It's not like the OG farm where we could literally fill something up, we don't need anything. In this case, we do. We need to remove the chlorine out of this water, and this right here does that. This bottle, just this bottle itself, treats up to 4,730 gallons of water. Just this little bottle. I mean, that's pretty crazy for this entire body of water, not even all of this.
So technically, if you had 2 of these, you could treat, if you had, no, just one of these could treat 2 of these ponds.
No.
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 Put a little more in the aerator. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put a little bit of water in here. Here's a little trick for you. Shake it around, you can still get more. Look.
There's more, you're right. That's
Never
more.
throw it away when you just finish it. This pond's officially ready to have fish. I love it. Oh, yeah! One last rundown of what we accomplished in today's video. The massive birdhouse that houses our filtration. Filter, UV, air pump back there, it's all nice. We gotta paint this building still. I still wanna paint this like white or something, make it look even better. All the pumps roll right out into the pond. Wow, that is absolutely massive. How deep is it? 38 inches.
About the same height as my girlfriend.
I'm so sorry. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please do smash the like button. The pond is officially done. It's ready for fish, and I believe by the time this video goes live, it's already been running for almost a week. Yeah, it won't be long until we get all the fish from the 4,000 gallon at the farm over to here and put into this pond. Subscribe so you don't miss that video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Rod. All the way down there. Cuffaro.